Aquasana Whole House Water Filtration System 10-Year Pro. Is it expensive? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. The 10-Year Pro from Aquasana is a top-tier whole house water filtration system that's intended to serve a moderate to large family home for 10 years. That's a big commitment, but they keep their promise. The longevity of this device is incredible, and it requires virtually no maintenance. You can also combine this device with softeners or a UV sterilizer. It filters out chlorine, rust, solvents, lead, mercury, pesticides, and other chemical contaminants using a 3-stage filter system. So what's the downside that keeps this filter from the top spot here? Well, the installation takes a practiced hand, and it has a low flow rate. A 7 GPM flow rate is much less than we've seen with other filters, but your water is extraordinarily clean. It's a decision that you can make based on your household water needs.